Hello, Shalon Winter here. I realized in my last video with the LREs, I forgot to show you how I put the dots on my simplicity chart. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you now what's on my chart here, how you do it. All right, so you're going to open a simplicity chart like you normally would, okay? Instructions are in the Apex Sniper Boot Camp on how to open a chart. And then you're supposed to have 5 days on it as well. 30-second chart, no tick replay. All right, so you load if you're on NQ, YM, RTY, you have the Simplicity NQ template and the Simplicity ES. So you load your Simplicity like normal. And then you go to Indicators. Okay, and then you're going to have your standard current price. Let's see. From current price here down to the walls is what's going to be on there. Standard. Okay. And then what I add is the Apex institutional zones. That is what gives you the green, and it'll turn red or kind of a salmon color. Those give you good idea of some ranges and support and resistance. I like having those on there. And let's see. And so what I do to get the dots on, and full credit goes to Charbel. This is, as far as I know, he's the one that came up with this. If somebody else did, credit goes to you. But Charbel is the one that, mentioned how to do this. And I thought it was great because, see, look what it does is we know an LRE is the solid line of the previous bar, right? So it puts the dot. So now you have the dot on this solid bar, solid line of the previous bar. So it actually gives me a price, which before, if you just have the solid line, you have no price marker there. So now I have a price marker, and I know exactly where my LRE needs to be, right about 183.25. You just kind of, so right here would be an LRE. Obviously, I don't know if this would be one you'd want to take, and if you did, it lost. Well, it'd be close to, well, it might not have. Anyways, this video is not about that. So what you do is you add another choppy market warning indicator, okay, which is right here. You just double click it. It'll throw it down here. And once it's here, once you have it added here, now what you do, you got to make sure your index symbol for whatever market is correct. That's the first thing, depending on the market. NQ is VXN. And so what you're going to want to do, because see, here's the standard choppy market warning indicator is set to calculate on price change. Okay. What you want to do on the new one, calculate on bar close. Okay, bar close. And then down here on the IV, you want to change it to dot dash. So dash style is dash, plot style is dot. That's important. That's where you want it. Plot style dot. Don't mess with the colors or anything else. Same thing here. Plot style dot. So both have to say dot first. So dot dash dot dot. Again, the plot style changed to dot. That's the only thing you change. Plot style to dot. Okay. And then this one, calculate on bar close. This is on the second. So what it's basically doing is placing another choppy market warning indicator on top of the original, but plotting it with a little different style. And that's how you get the dots on there. And that's it. That's all you do. Then I also add the bar timer, which gives you down here, tells you when the next bar is going to plot. This is the VWAP. You don't have to worry about that. I actually really don't use it. I just have it on there to see where the VWAP is. If you don't know what that is, don't even worry about it. That just helps me with a bigger picture of the trend. And then the order prints copier. And that's it. That's how I have my simplicity chart set up. And that's how you put the dots on there. All right. Hope everybody has a great one. Trade well.